Hello, everybody. I hope you're having a wonderful, wonderful, beautiful day, or had a wonderful, wonderful, beautiful day. I hope everybody is doing well. Thank you so much for joining today's live stream. So today we're actually going to speak about NFP. Okay, for those that don't know, basically it means non farm payroll. All right. So usually these news, right, will create a lot of impact to the market. Okay. Later we will also just slightly touching gold also to see how the movement is. Okay. Just now when I checked the news, let me just double confirm it was actually good for US, but only the non-farm payroll was actually bad lah. But then overall, we had one, two, about three news about US. Two was for Canada, but we focus on the US one now. One, two, three. Actually, two of them were good, but then one of them was bad. The non-farm payroll wasn't as expected. Basically, their forecasted was 169K, but it came in at 143K, which is below the forecasted amount lah. If it's above, then it's good. Okay, so let's see. Okay, before we go into today's live stream, if you are new here, thank you so much for joining today's live stream. My name is Guna. I've been trading for the past 3 years now. Okay, if you like and genuinely are interested into becoming a trader, okay, please do consider subscribing to the channel because we do live streams like this whereby we break down trade analysis, fundamental news. Also, if you want to take it a step further, now you can actually join the free Discord community, which the link is in the description below, whereby we actually share these how to say predictions. We do share predictions. We do share our technical analysis. We do share fundamental analysis and many more. Okay. So if you are seriously interested into becoming a trader, all right, this is the community lah. Basically, this is a place where we are trying our best to build an environment of traders so that all of you will be able to excel in the how to say basically in your progress to become a trader. Okay, it will speed up your progress always in whatever you want to do. Okay, your environment is so important. Okay, so that's what basically this Discord community is all about. All right, so let's break it down. Today's live session. Okay, maybe we can go into gold first to make it a bit interesting. Okay, because usually gold only we have a very 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 big move. All right, let's see. Okay, maybe if I put this up, then it'll be easier for us to know. All right. So let me go confirm the timing. NFP, I think it was 9 or 9:30. Let me see. It was 9:30. Okay. So basically, oh, this was the move. Okay. You guys might not see it as being as significant as it is. All right. But look up. Okay. This is the candle body. All right. Just the body. Okay. Look at the wicks. How high the wicks went. See. This is how high the wicks went. So, yeah. Okay, let me make it even darker. Yeah, now you guys can see. Just take note of what it did. All right, just take note of that. And then I'll also show the down one. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I'll just draw it up to here. Okay, because this is the only portion that you should be focused on. I will explain why, so don't worry. Okay, we don't draw in front, confuse you guys. Okay, what can you see? Okay, if you guys can just try also to guess, if you want to leave it in the chat also, please do. Okay, please do. But what can you guys see? Okay, let me explain. All right, so this is Asia session that happened today. All right, this is also London session that happened today. Okay, this one move, all right. Okay, I will show you a cross reference about the move that happened yesterday, the day before, like that. Okay, so you guys can understand what I'm trying to show you. Okay, Asia's high have already been taken up by London session. Okay, this is the highest point. Okay, this move essentially took out all of the liquidity resting above in Asia and London. Okay, at the same time, It also moved all the way down, taking out liquidity from Asia and also London. So one candle, okay, one candle took out the buy side liquidity and also the sell side liquidity. Liquidity is the major power lah, okay, in the market. Is the reason why the market moves. Okay, if I draw this one example, then maybe you guys will be easier for you to understand. Okay, this is what this is an uptrend. All right. Okay, sometime in an uptrend, this can happen. Okay, price comes down and then suddenly price starts to shoot up, even higher, even stronger. Okay, the reason why this happens is because price comes to sweep this liquidity. Okay, when price comes and do this, retail traders, usually retail trader basically is us. NFP crazy move today. Yes, I know. We're explaining it right now also. I mean, look, this is gold. Look at this. It swept buy side liquidity and sell side liquidity in a single candle. But it does not happen all the time. It's insane. Okay, see, if I show you guys 1 minute. Look, it's too fast to the point. The candle had to close here. See, buy side, buyers, sellers. Then after that, it come into sales and then have to go up. It's, insane, man. Such an insane move. Okay, so coming back to this example, all right. So you see, sometimes this happens. Okay, whereby we are in a bullish move up, and then after that, price comes down. Okay, it sweeps liquidity, and then it starts to shoot even higher and even stronger. The reason why, okay, behind it, the reason why behind this spot, why is important is because there is a lot of funds, okay, below this low, below this low, below this low. Okay, there are certain ways and strategies on how actually we can identify, all right, the most significant areas. There is a way. Okay, if you guys are interested to learn that, please join in the Discord community and then we'll speak further. All right, everything is for free, but I want to only teach those that are really, really, really genuinely interested to become traders. All right, so you see, sweep liquidity. When they sweep liquidity, what does this mean? Instantly, you must ask yourself, okay, what does that mean? Okay, you must have this question. Sweep liquidity already means those market makers, because we know the people who can move the markets are called market makers, all right? So those market makers have the funding power already, since they already swept liquidity, got so much of money, millions and millions of dollars just off here, okay? So they have enough of power to push the price even higher in the continuation, or you could also do this. Come down here, come back here, and then it goes even lower. Okay, it could happen. It can happen either way. That's why we need to wait and see for reaction and how price will actually move. What is price respecting? What is price disrespecting, and so on. All right, we talk about that every single day here. Okay, so this is what essentially will happen. Okay, now when you see this, right, this is buy side liquidity, this is sell side liquidity. One candle managed to take out both of the buy side and sell side liquidity. There's now example, remember, he took out one side liquidity. That means he got so much of power already to move it either up or down in a very powerful manner. All right. But what happens if a candle is able to take up buy side liquidity and sell side liquidity? Imagine right now the power this session has. Insane. Okay, the reason why we're not seeing a big move here, because the news 9:30 now is 10. Okay, and then also there is also a news, let me check, at 10, but not a significant one. It's a FOMC member speaking, and then at 11 we actually have this another news. 11 is consumer sentiment. Okay, this one will give little big effects lah, not as much as the red ones. This is in orange. Okay, so they also have news at 11. So maybe potentially that's the reason, okay, why we are not seeing much of a big movement yet. But trust me, whoever the market maker is inside of this session right now, whoever will actually eventually get power, they have a lot of funding right now. Okay, they have insane amount of funding right now. Okay, just know this, So we will keep an eye on this. I will share it also in our Discord community if I see any huge momentum movements. All right, I will let you guys know. If you guys want to be part of that, please feel free to join the Discord community. The link is in the description below, guys. Also, for those that joined, I saw there are a few members that actually joined recently. Congratulations. Hello. Thank you so much for joining the Discord community. It's a pleasure to have you guys there. Okay. So you already understand already, yeah? Okay, now let me show you. I told you I will show you the cross-reference one. Not cross-reference, but one reference, okay? Look at this, huh? Okay? Just focus on the green section, all right? New York session. The reason why we're just focusing on New York session, okay, basically is because NFP happens in New York, okay? So I don't want you guys to confuse since we're referring to the green one. Let's refer to only the green ones, okay? NFP, what happened? Is swept buy side and sell side liquidity. Two, okay, you see in a normal day. Okay, this is buy side liquidity. Okay, see Asia highs, okay, London highs, all right, and then sell side liquidity is the below ones lah. Okay, see London low lah. All right. On a normal day, usually the market will sweep one side of the liquidity. So you see this one is swept the London low side. Eventually you will go lah to take out the Asia high all lah. Okay, not yet. You see we have marked this out also. Not yet. Maybe today it will because we are seeing a bullish momentum up. Okay, so potentially these liquidity zones may be taken. But you see on a normal day, it will take out one side, either the sell side liquidity or buy side liquidity. Okay, see, yeah. Now we go to more examples. See, okay, look at this. This one okay. See, but still, yeah, you only take out London side, not Asia. Okay, not Asia. It went down, it took out London's low, and then it took out London's high. Okay, still consider one session. You took out one sessions. Okay, the NFP one, both session also he counting. All right, see this one. See this example. Okay, so yeah, this one he never take out any high. You see? This high was okay. This high was kind of already taken out lah. The moment the first candle come in lah. Okay, this is not really count. Okay, just the first candle come in and then because it's the very next one is moving up already anyways. Okay, but all of the SASA liquidity have not been taken out. Okay, so you see, you usually focus on one side, one direction. Okay, so you see, all the SASA liquidity here has not been taken out. This one is the same example. It just moves up. All right. But the difference with NFP, it will take out both in both of the sessions. Usually, I say both of the sessions also you makan already. So that's how much of funding power you have right now. Okay, but we are not seeing any sort of real trend for us to understand who is first in control. Very difficult to understand right now who is in control because it swept both side liquidity. Okay, both side liquidity, and I cannot say it's respecting the lower side or on top because why it goes in the middle. So you see, on top also respect, below also respect. So we need to wait a while. All right, we need to wait a while and then understand who is actually will take this power. Is it buyers or sellers? So far, yes, we are seeing buyers, but that doesn't mean we can enter yet. Okay, because we're not seeing much price action. Look, it's just this, guys. How to trade just like this. We need to see more. We need to see more candles. We need to understand what is going on. Okay, even based on this, right? Okay, yeah, the lowest part. Where is the lowest part? This is not even in Asia session. It's way before. Okay, price swept this liquidity already. Okay, seems like buyers are in. All right, seems like buyers are in. But again, too early to say for now. Okay, maybe 10:30 lah. Because like I said, we have news. 10:25, 11 also we got news from the US. So we gotta wait a while and see what will happen. Okay, but from what I can see lah, okay, potentially buyers are here. All right, potentially buyers are here. We are seeing this fair value gap get filled and respected. Okay, and then now price is moving towards the upside. All right, where the forms of liquidity for the upside basically is these two lah that I initially drew before. Okay, we also have another form of liquidity which is in here, but this one already swept already. Yeah, so basically here lah. Remember the tip of the candle, this one. 15. All right, let me go back to smaller time frame so you guys can see that. Okay, this one is 15 and 5 side, the same. 15 and 5 minutes share. Wow. Why is this a tongue twister? 15 minutes and 5 minutes. They share the same liquidity area. Okay, this one. All right. So you see? Okay. There's also what? There's also a fair value gap here. Okay, so if price wants to come and pick up this liquidity areas, we want to see this fair value gap get respected or disrespected, guys. Disrespected, right? If it respects me, then potentially we're moving towards the downside. Okay, but it doesn't seem that way. It really seems that we're actually moving towards the upside line. Okay, this right based on the M1, okay, 1 minute time frame. Okay, this is basically mitigation, this area here. So this will be a nice entry if we were to enter this trade here. Okay, stops below. Safe stop, the safe SL is actually here. Okay, but this is fine because if price breaks below this, I don't think it will continue. It will reverse lah. It's by right, it won't. Okay, so we go to 1 to 3. Usually it's 1 to 3. Where is 1 to 3? Roughly here. Okay, see, very nice entry because it's just below our kind of like magnetic points that is pulling price up. Okay, so guys, give me a moment my notes is like running. I don't know why it's not running. It's right here. I know. Okay, let me just go get a tissue. Okay, you guys just watch price first and later we're going to crypto. Okay. Okay. So we let price play out, and then we just see if these liquidity zones will be taken out or not. Okay, because this fair value gap has been disrespected already. So this now becomes the inverse fair value gap. So we have to see now price already comes here, right? Will price come use this as a platform and then go to take up this liquidity areas or not? Okay. So we wait and see this. I mean we continue to crypto. Later we come back. Okay, to watch this out. Let's go to Ethereum today. We always see Bitcoin, right? Let's see Ethereum today. Okay, Ethereum also we're seeing a bullish move up. And Ethereum quite how to say clear lah. It's actually showing that bulls are actually in control. Okay, I will explain later. So let me just do my analysis first, if you guys don't mind. Okay, you guys enter the music. Okay, I do my analysis and then I'll explain to you guys step by step. Okay, guys, we potentially are seeing a very good, but how to say, possibility lah. Okay, good trading opportunity. Sorry, possibility. I lost the word already. Trading opportunity for ETH. Okay, the reason is because if you guys see what I just draw, right, basically just one thing. Okay, this is a fair value gap that has been created in the daily time frame. All right, and then price came in and filled it. Okay, even though price pierced very low, it is okay. Piercing is okay, but price cannot close below. All right, so price pierced the fair value gap. Okay, and then price now is respecting this area. You see, we're seeing bulls come in. Okay, you also, right, if you guys notice carefully, okay, there are fair value gaps here also, which essentially could be filled, all right, depending on how price will react when it reach this zone. Okay, this is the closest fair value gap. So even from this point, right, if we go to a smaller time frame, okay, we can see we actually have some trading opportunity gap here. Okay, see you can trade up to this point before we understand now what is actually the reaction going to be like. Okay, so if you were to enter, right, I'm not saying you guys to enter, this is just an example. Okay, because for us to enter we need to see certain things happen. All right, later we will go through the small time frame, then we will see. Okay, all right, so you see, this is the place lah, safe zone lah, that we could be trading lah with the trend. Okay, so this is the closest fair value gap that we could see, and price is respecting this one that has been filled already. Price don't want to close below also. What is that also telling us, guys? That is also telling us there are very powerful buyers here, which is able to actually stop price. See how much the sellers were actually very strong to push price down up to this point, but then still they never managed to close price. Okay, this is because the buyers here are very strong. That means this zone is protected. All right, we also can notice what this is, how low price came, right? Why price came until this low? Okay, see, all of this that I'm drawing, okay, all of this actually is part of this also, all of these things. See this one here, okay, here. Okay lah, how about this? I draw it in this way. Hold on, I use the arrow one. Let me make this thinner. Okay, I draw using this. Okay, don't draw like this. I'm just drawing like this so I can show you guys what I mean. All right. Okay, all of these zones are liquidity. All right, these are all liquidity that has not really been swept. This one already has been swept by this liquidity zone. All right, so this one we can minus. Okay, there you go. So hard to minus, right? Okay, I draw again. Okay, man, I just draw one line. Like you guys understand already, huh? Okay, it's all of this. Okay, this is all the liquidity areas that we can find here. Okay, all of this, and you see price came as low as well. Yeah, let me draw it straight line. See, price came as low as this point. Okay, he took all of this liquidity area that is resting in the daily time frame. Okay, he also not swept, but he already filled the imbalance zone that was caused by the market due to the buyers. Okay, so now, right, this side here, the candle also have a lot of funding power. Okay, when they got a lot of funding power, okay, if they want to move the price up or down, they can. But in our example here, we have two other fair value gaps that have been created, okay, in the daily time frame. So potentially, if they want to continue the trend moving down, they might first go and fill up these fair value gaps. Maybe not even fill up, just at least mitigate them, and then possibly they will move towards the downside. Or we could be seeing this. Wait, I make it thicker again. Yeah. Gotta change this back to the arrow so you guys can see easier. Okay, this is what could be happening also. Okay, I'm not gonna draw every single line. I just want to draw a simple one so you guys can understand. Okay, so right now price is here. Okay, price comes in. This is an impulse. This is a pullback. Potentially we can be seeing this. Price could go higher. Okay, it all depends on what price will do when it goes to these fair value gaps. Okay, that's why we got to draw them out. Okay, and then just remember lah, that they are there. Okay, let me change this up a bit. Okay, yep, now put this as FVG daily. Okay, however you name it is okay lah. Okay, name is not important. Most important is you understand what the concept is. All right. Okay, so basically this is my trading range now. Okay, this one already has been filled already. So now let me go and find the liquidity areas. Give me a moment. Okay, traders. So based on my analysis, right, from the bigger time frames all the way up to the smaller time frames, right, what I can see, okay, overall, is that price. The reason why it went quite low is basically just to fill up this fair value gap, okay, and then also took up certain liquidity areas that have been resting in the market for quite some time. Okay, so with the funding power that they have for the intraday trading for today, overall I'm actually seeing buyers show their presence in the sessions when they occur. All right, I couldn't really find sellers present here. Okay, but around this area, okay, I cannot 100% say that this is, let me see. Yeah, I cannot really say that I'm able to find any buyers present in Asia session. All right, that is clear one for me. Okay, but then in London session is very clear lah. The buyers were present actually here. This was mitigation area, so this would have been a very beautiful entry. Okay. Also on top of mitigation area, what I saw happening here, okay, is price was respecting this fair value gap that is created by this bullish fair value gap. All right. So price came into mitigation, respected the zone, and then that's why price shoot all the way up. Okay, this would have been a very beautiful trade if we were to enter lah. Okay, basically this mitigation, this would have been the entry. Okay, stops below the imbalance. Sorry, fair value gap. Same thing by the way. See, about 1 to 5. But we usually go 1 to 3. So we would have gotten out of the trade just here. Yeah. That's just an immediate push all the way up, guys. Okay, it's a very beautiful trade. Okay, so what are we seeing now? Buyers are actually showing their presence here also in the New York session right now. Okay, that's what I'm seeing lah for Ethereum. Okay, and then I also realized that this is a fair value gap that has been created in the 15-minute time frame. All right. So what I'm actually waiting to see right now is price potentially come all the way to this gap here, at least mitigate this fair value gap, and then I want to see price starts to move up. Okay, potentially to our target here. Okay, so this is what I'm predicting lah. If price is respecting this fair value gap area, okay, but let's say if price doesn't respect this fair value gap area, price usually like to tend and come back to where the buyers initially were. Okay, so basically this zone. Okay, price eventually will come back to this zone if it doesn't respect this area. Okay, even this one also can be taken up. So we gotta wait and see what price would do upon reaching this zone. Okay, so right now it is coming down a bit slow, but it is coming down. Okay, let me check the news. It's not an impactful one, I know, but let me just see. This one, guys, because the FOMC guy, there's no outcome. It's just he's talking. So if we watch the news me directly, then we can understand that. Okay, but 11 p.m. there's another one lah. Okay, 11 p.m. there's another news, guys. So this is our predictions now basically for ETH. All right. But let's draw the other prediction. Okay, so if price doesn't respect this zone at all, okay, you will break through, use this as a platform, and then it might shoot below. Okay, taking out this liquidity area here. Because this one is also another form of liquidity. Okay, wait, guys, let me mark this out so clearer for you. This is where we 5 minute, right? Okay, you might be taking out this 5 minute liquidity. All right, so this is our predictions now. Okay, so what we do now? Nothing. We just wait and see. Okay, but of course we don't have to just wait here. Let's go back to gold and find out what is happening. Let's see. Gold. Wow. Look. Look how high it went. It took out all of the liquidity that we spoke about earlier. It went way above the TP zone also. Yeah, this is why the buyers actually were showing their presence here. This one I couldn't say buyers were here because it struck two side liquidity. This is why it's very good for us to actually be able to understand how to utilize these time frames. Just because I understand how to utilize them, I'm able to find out that buyers were present here. Okay, this would have been a very nice trade if you want to enter. Today I see the market quite late already. Let me see, this one would have been a beautiful entry. Okay, so now we have to understand, so yeah, swap liquidity here, swap liquidity here. Okay, pushing price up. Also swap this liquidity here. They got so much power right now. Insane amount of funding now. Even here, so right now, if this gets respected, price potentially is moving even higher. Okay, so let's see how high price may be going. It may be going out to take out the highest point that has been created by gold. Okay, the highest structural move so far for gold. Let me see in H1. Is this yep, this is the same liquidity zone. Okay, all of this has been taken out already. So this is the next one. And mark this out. This is been taken out already. Okay. So see what we're saying. What are we saying? Is price respecting or not? Okay, at least mitigation. Oh, I draw an arrow. Let's see. If buyers will allow price to go at least in mitigation or not, and then take out this explore liquidity. For those wondering, if price didn't go to mitigation, it doesn't mean buyers are not strong. It means they are even aggressive to push price up. Okay, they don't allow price to even come to mitigation. Okay, it doesn't mean they're not so strong if they never allow price to come into mitigation. This is just a form of area where I like to see certain things happen. Okay, when that certain things happen in that area, then only I will choose to react. All right. So you see this. Okay, this is also what? This is also fair value gap being respected and filled. So we're pushing up. Okay, there's so many indications of telling us that price actually really wants to move towards the upside. The reason why this is possible also is all of this candle keep going up also is only because of the liquidity power, whereby he swap buy side and sell side liquidity, so he can choose wherever he want price to go. He's literally king right now. This is the family gap. Yep. Okay, this is also another family gap get disrespected. That's why he went to OTP. This is no longer relevant, but this actually becomes an inverse already now. Okay, so this one also we leave it by and then we just see. Let's go to Dogecoin, guys. Let's see Dogecoin. It's another cryptocurrency. Okay, guys, same thing lah. You guys enjoy the music first. Okay, nice one. So cool play right now. Okay, let me do my analysis and I'll share with you guys. Okay, guys, based on just what I'm able to analyze so far, right, Dogecoin also seems like it's been moving towards the upside now. Okay, price can to mitigate this fair value gap. Also in the daily, right, this is bigger fair value gap has been filled. Okay, price mitigated this fair value gap and then respecting it. Okay, price also came in to use this fair value gap as basically like a platform to bounce off. Price also filled up this fair value gap here in the 4 hour time frame. Okay, but you need to see like if this get disrespected or not. Disrespected means the price will potentially be moving towards the upside. This would be a very nice liquidity area to aim for if you guys want to enter means for a buy. Okay, basically this daily liquidity zone. Okay, this is for Dogecoin lah. But again, let me analyze more. I just want to explain this part of it first. Okay. Enjoy first. Okay, guys. So this is what essentially I think may be happening lah for Dogecoin. Okay. So I believe price maybe will take out this ham 15 liquidity first prior to making a move towards the downside. Okay, based on today, right, the intraday session, I can see buyers actually came in here and also came in here. The price also filled this mini fair value gap and also respected it lah. Okay, basically that's why the price went up towards the upside. Okay, this is also buyers footprint come in. This is also buyers footprint come in. So there was a lot of buyers today overall in each session. Right now, we're seeing an impulse move up. Okay, usually after an impulse move up, what we potentially be seeing, every impulse move up, we will have a pullback. The only thing is, as traders, we will never know how deep a pullback can happen. Sometimes the pullback can become another impulse. So one impulse and then the second impulse. All right. So that's why we need to capture in and see what else elements are there for us to put in as a, how to say, a secure spot, like basically a POI for us, a point of interest, so that we'll be able to understand how will price react once reaching this zone. The reason why I kind of believe price potentially may be taking out this liquidity first, or even the closest one, which is here, right here. Okay, maybe take out this liquidity first prior to moving down, because it needs some kind of fuel to move price down. All right, so right now we are actually in the impulse, right? So potentially price will be moving down. This is a fair value gap. We have to see if it's get mitigated and then respected or not. Let's say if these two things were to happen, okay, then our essential market movement prediction is towards the upside, and then this daily liquidity lah, is the ultimate lah. All right, let's say the trade plays out very well. Okay, this is the entry, this will be the SL. Okay, of course now we go to 1 to 3, 1 to 4 also can. All right, but this is will be the ultimate lah. Don't just straight away aim this lah. Okay, if you guys are planning to maybe aim for this right away, can, but scale in. Okay, what that means basically is when you enter, okay, whenever you reach certain liquidity ranges, take out partial profits out. At the same time, you drag your SL. Okay, that way is a risk-free trade. I am not sure if by today it will reach, I don't think so. But depends, we never know. Okay, you see today NFP also is swept buy side liquidity and sell side liquidity in one candle. It's insane. Imagine how much of funding power they have. Okay, this one also in the bigger time frame, it already swept liquidity, all right, towards the downside. Okay, the sell side liquidity. That's why now you got some funding power to move price up. Once it's swept sell side liquidity, where's the next target usually? Buy side liquidity. Buy side liquidity is usually towards the upside. All right, that is why we are seeing price having a momentum move towards the upside. Also, there are footprints of showing that buyers are actually present. They were present in Asia, London, and now New York. New York so far, like I said, I will say it again, this is an impulse move up. All right, this could potentially be the pullback as well, and then it could continue just to go up, can also. All right, because we cannot predict how low a pullback can actually occur lah. Okay, it depends. Not every pullback is the same. Okay, but all I understand is this is the fair value gap that has not been filled yet or mitigated. So I want to wait and see when price comes into this zone, and then we can see lah what we can do from here on. Okay. So this is my prediction for Dogecoin, guys. So we just leave this be here. Okay. So let's go back to gold. Let's see what gold happening now. Okay, what is gold doing? What is gold doing? Okay, this is the M1. Okay, price came into the mitigation area. Okay, price came and fill up this fair value gap. Okay, in M1. Is it respecting or disrespecting? Respecting or disrespecting? Actually, I draw another fair value gap on top of a fair value gap. I draw, I don't know why. Okay, see? Fill up again. This one taken. Usually under mitigation, right, price should not be closing below that. Okay, but still have chance this one to move up because it is respecting the fair value gap. It didn't continue to close here. Buyers were still present. Okay, that's why we're seeing a rejection. Let's see if sellers actually want to come in and push price lower or not. All of this liquidity has been taken, so we can remove them first so the chart be cleaner. Clean chart gives clarity. Okay, but overall we're seeing buyers. Guys, see here also got buyers. Okay, field respected, move towards the upside. Okay, here really cow lah. Okay, we just now we spoke already why this happened. Okay, because they got enough funding power. Okay, if this gets respected, you guys can potentially aim for this liquidity resting above here. Okay, but remember the scale in okay, let's say potentially if this were our entry, that would our stops be, oh sorry, our stop to be below, it's low, just below. Okay, because if we want to respect this zone, we should not be going below that. So we gotta see now, you respect or not. Yes, make this smaller. Mitigation also, we never really respect mitigation. but it's respecting the fair value gap so far. Let's see. See, seller wanna come along. What do you guys think? Is price potentially, okay, is price potentially going to release, use this platform, okay, of the previous bullish fair value gap, okay, now inverse fair value gap, to potentially move price higher? Could be also. Let's see. Sorry, make it longer. Okay, now we just see go for a while. Okay, I give some music to you. So far still holding, but keep in mind, okay, keep in mind the mitigation area, it didn't respect it just now. Okay, price went below the mitigation area and closed below, but it's respecting the fair value gap so far. Okay, but again lah, overall we were already in a bullish move up. We need to see if buyers still want to push up, price up or not. But I know they have so much funding power because they start buy side liquidity and sell side liquidity upon NFP. Okay, so if they want to move wherever they want, they can move. They really have that much of power. All right. So we have to see if price right now really respect, continue to move towards the upside, means I have a high prediction that it will actually take out the H4. Or even though we're seeing a bullish move now, it could be potentially it will shift down. It could go down to the fair value gap here. Let me show you. Now it become an inverse trading. Inverse trading view. Okay, this one. Yeah. You guys want me to make it difficult? Can see, right? I think can see. Maybe I make it a bit thicker. Okay, this one put 20. Didn't do anything. But this one here. Okay? Let's see. If you guys entered, means you guys can take out partials if you want, and then you guys set BE, alright? So always remember protect capital is main, right? That's always key. Without capital you cannot trade anyways. Always protect capital. news came out. 11 o'clock one, the minor power news lah. Okay, they said the US was bad. If you guys wondering why suddenly here got a gap, right? Basically, it's price slippery because that's the news here. Okay, they say for US is bad. Previous time, whenever US is bad, right, gold will usually go in the opposite direction. So if US drop, gold will go up. But recent times, I don't know why lah. Sometimes when US is bad, gold will drop. Sometimes US is good, gold will go up. Recent times, let's see, let's see. If you guys wondering lah, the gap is because of that. Okay. In TradingView, you guys can see it. The thing below here, when you guys tap it out, you see this is all the updates and the events that is happening. So it will explain to you guys why suddenly got like this slip or whatever. Okay. For those that entered, please take out partials now. Okay, and set the BE. We already 1 to 2 R already. Okay, always protect capital, guys. Once you go 1 to 3, okay, actually you guys can take out all right now if you want. If you have entered the trade, okay, if you guys still want to hold, can. Just remember to set BE, take out partials at least. Okay, pay yourself a bit because this one is a trade that you guys take effort to enter. So at least take out some partials out. Okay, so you see this trade confirm be out already. So that's why always when 1 to 2 or what take out partial, take yourself a bit. Okay, so this one consider still a win now because we still in profits. Take out partial here, you see, trade go down all the way to hit BE. All right, it's okay. Out of the trade is okay, no problem. As long we already makan already. Okay. Always remember to set BE, guys. Never be greedy. Okay. Price knows who is greedy. Okay. Price know they always go and attack people's greed. That's how they make a lot of money. We must learn to understand this. Okay. That's what price do best. I just simply want to see if price still will go or not to the full TP. Okay. I feel it will. I see, yeah. So when I come in here, okay, another partials must be taken out, but also you can scale your SL. So from your BE here, now you can scale your SL even higher, maybe even below this low lah. Okay, but in this case, since already hit BE, but at least we win already because here you take out partial. Always learn and train yourself to take out partial. Always pay yourself. As a trader, always pay yourself. Okay, 1 to 3, ready? After this one, guys, I think I'll end the live, huh? Oh yeah, before I end the live, let's go and see Ethereum. Let this one play out first. We go and see Ethereum again. What is Ethereum doing? There we go. See? Respecting. Okay, respecting what? The 15 minute. Alright, so this would have been an entry lah. Since price is respecting, this would have been an entry. So if this was an entry means, okay, mitigation is wait, let me see. Mitigation is here. Okay, this would be an entry. It is okay to put your stop loss quite near. It's okay because if price break below, doesn't respect, price want to go down means just go on the trade. That means price wants to go back. Okay, 1 to 3, 1 to 3, 1 to 3. Okay. The price doesn't respect. Okay, price wants to go means below. Okay. See, if we start a pending order, so close to take out, man. Okay, if price doesn't respect, price wants to go below this, man. That means price most probably will, this trade will not work. Okay, it wants to go down. All right. So this time we just set here. I'll update you guys in the Discord community. BTC, we never do anything for BTC today, but we focus on ETH and also just show you guys Dogecoin. Okay, Dogecoin, what's going on? Okay, let me see. Okay, guys, so it did went down. Okay, not to our how to say the zone that we want it to be, but not yet. It's still moving down, in my opinion. Still got a chance to go down. At least to this zone, then we understand is this a buy opportunity or not. If it's a buy opportunity, our TP potentially can be going to the daily closest how to say liquidity area lah. Okay, this for Dogecoin. Where's the gold? About to go. What is gold doing? So close to full TP, guys. Okay, me means as a trader, right? The moment you come close to here, I already out, fully out. I take out everything already. Okay? Being a trader, okay, it means what? There's no A to Z. Okay, you must follow step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4. No, it's not like that. Being a trader means you're holding your own Rubik's Cube. Okay? To solve a Rubik's Cube, there is a million combinations. Okay, but we all can reach the same destination. Alright? Some people maybe they will earn more, some people will earn less. But in trading, the most important thing is, are you profitable or not? Are you successful or not? I learned this the hard way. Last time I was so micromanaging my trade, I was like a robot. If I said TP here, I only must go on here. If I said SL here, this is my SL. Okay, but I got dragged also last time. Okay, it was a very wrong thing to do. Okay, when I start to learn that actually if I take out my profits even before go to 1 to 2, okay, if I just take it out here, if I take it out in between here, it is okay. Okay, trading, do not micromanage your trading. Your goal in trading is what? Is to make money. Okay, is to be successful. to do that, okay, however you want to play your Rubik's Cube, as long as you end up successful, you are winning. All right? Remember this, huh? Don't treat trading to the point that you're micromanaging it, okay? Anyway, so the trade took out what? 2R and 3R already, what? Hey, the moment trade here, come here, I start to see red color, I already out already, by right? Let's see, yeah, remove this, no, later I remove it. Yeah, confirm I already buy this now. See, Dogecoin, how is going now? Is there any possibility yet? Okay, guys, let's see. Dogecoin already tap in, huh? Tap in our family, get ready. Big move down. Big move down. Okay, tapped in already. So this is what kind of we are predicting. Okay, if price is respecting the fair value gap, because bulls are present in the New York session below. All right, and then just now what I mentioned to you guys, we are seeing a impulse move up. When an impulse move up, we must see a corrective move down. All right, but this can also turn out to be an impulse move lah. Depending if this gets disrespected, then this potentially will become another impulse move down, and then we may be seeing price move towards the downside. This area will be taken, can be an area to look out for lah, where price potentially will be going into. Okay, but so far price is seen respecting. Okay, it's just stepping inside. The better one will be for you to mitigate this area lah. Okay, we gotta wait and see lah for Dogecoin. You guys can wait and see lah. Okay, I will be ending the live shortly. Okay, so this could potentially be a nice trading possibility for buy. If it disrespects, then sell. ETH. Okay, what happened to our ETH? Let me see. Look at ETH. This disrespected cow. Is it? When price disrespect already, okay, don't need to drag SL, no need to put lower, no need. Please don't do this, guys. The moment I know if price go below this, it's not going to work out already. It means not going to work out already. Just leave it be, okay? When price come into here, okay, we're seeing some sort of respect, all right, but not strong bias. There's no strong bulls here, okay? So potentially when if price manage to pull back inside again, we are not seeing this respect, and then use this as platform to move higher, then potentially it's going to go down already. All right. So this one is not a successful one. So potentially we are going to see a move down now for ETH. All right. Where's gold? What happened to gold? Okay, gold now struggling to go at least until to the full TP zone. Okay, let me wipe this off, all of this stuff. Okay, now it's clearer. R, 123R. This full TP. Can I move it? Gold seem like you still want to move up. Very simple actually. Trading, you just have to understand the concept about respect and disrespect. Okay, whatever you draw in the charts, okay, there's a reason. Whatever you see in the charts, there's a reason. But on top of seeing it and drawing it, you have to understand price is doing what to that zone. Okay, based on how price is respecting to that specific zone, that is where you can form your own trading entry. Okay, you have to understand that. You have to understand which one price like to respect, which one price is disrespecting, why price is disrespect. If disrespect, where potentially is going to, that means the liquidity above price is not interested to take it out yet. Okay, price wants to move in a different direction. Maybe there's another liquidity zone that price wants to take out first. Okay, these are all the things that we can understand just based off respect and disrespect. Literally just of these two things we can understand that. Okay, seeing bulls come in. Let me go see Dogecoin for a while. Okay. Dogecoin actually looking very pretty lah. Okay, there's also quite a few fair value gaps created above. So this liquidity range. Okay, see, look. Look at how it's pushing through. This is considered already mitigate this area. Okay, now we have to see if price is going to respect this zone, respect these buyers or not. Go macam mana, almost now go slowly struggling already. Okay lah. I think I will update this inside the group lah because I'm not so sure when gold will be going at least to this zone or not. Okay. And then also about the Dogecoin one, guys, there's a potential opportunity here also. Okay, see, it's already mitigated, and now we're seeing a bullish move up. Okay, so I will be updating this lah inside of our Discord community. Thank you so much for joining today's live stream, guys. If you haven't liked and subscribed already, please do. Okay, and then if you haven't joined the Discord community also yet, please do. We do share all of this type of analysis, okay, fundamental news, almost daily. All right. The only thing I look forward from you guys is to actually to how to say giving the efforts lah to even giving your own predictions, giving your own feedback. What do you guys think about the market? Because again, we are building a genuine community of traders. Okay, if that is what you genuinely want, okay, then we have to act like it. Okay, that is what the community is all about. Very easy to join, guys. If you want to join, just click in the link in the description. Okay, then I will see you guys there. Always grateful to learn from you. I appreciate that so much. Thank you so much for joining the live session. Okay, I will see you all in the next one, possibly tomorrow. Okay, take care, guys. Have a very good night and a very wonderful weekend. Goodbye.